All right, guys. So today I will be making my June 2018 income report. I received a lot of messages from haters saying that this is like only the sales, or I'm downloading those pictures from Google or things like that. Believe me, I have better things to do with my time. But I'm just doing for myself the income report, so I will see exactly what I profited in the past month. So I just decided to record that. So guys, if you are new to my channel, here I will be covering most of it eBay dropshipping on eBay UK, my best tips, tricks. So please consider subscribing, and if you have questions or something like that, or suggested videos that you want me to do, leave your comments below. Okay, so let's begin. So let me show you. So my eBay sales for June 2018 were 29,746 and 94 pence. Okay, and top cashback I received from cashback 107.24 pounds. So let's go quickly to my bank statements from PayPal. Okay, so you don't, so you will see that it is actually me. So this is the email. So I can show you quickly that this is my email. You see that? So yeah, so eBay auction payments, as you can see, this is the same amount. Top cashback that I received. Here is my top cashback account. So as you can see that I got paid. So I had 93.25 pounds on my reward wallet on top cashback, but I took it as a Zeek gift card that boosted up to 107.24. So returns and refunds were 4,312.13. So you can see here that this is payment refund. Okay, this is the transfer withdrawal. This is what I would withdraw to my bank to make purchases with my card, and this is also I will be covering in just a minute. So payments, refund that I refunded buyers, returns, all those things, 4,312, as you can see. Okay, so PayPal fees. PayPal fees, as you can see, 617.69, and eBay fees. So let's go quickly to my eBay. Okay, you can see that this is not a picture. So this is what I owe eBay for the past month. So 2,430.44, and PayPal money out. So where it is? So PayPal money out and payment sent. So as you can see, those are all of the payment that I make also for suppliers and also for my VA. So this is all the money that I use my PayPal to pay. Okay, so it was 7,714.35, and now bank account money out. So here is my Excel spreadsheet that I downloaded from my bank, and here you can see this the category is supplies that I'm doing a certain category for all of my payments to the suppliers, and it's called supplies. As you can see, all the dates, and this is the amounts. This is also include refunds that I received from my suppliers. So in total, I paid 11,215.52. Okay, CPA. I pay my CPA 240 pounds per month. So this is another expense, and now the VAT I owe for this month. So I have a calculation. So my gross sales is my eBay sales minus the refunds and returns. That this is 25,434.81, and this is the VAT I owe for this amount. And now my expenses. This is the all the payments that I made that I paid VAT. So the VAT I paid is 3,600.05. So the difference, this is what I need to pay to the government. So this is the VAT I owe to the government. So yeah, basically that's it. As you can see, I profited clean profit to my pocket 2,684.97 pounds. This is a calculation to my country's currency, so this is new Israeli shekels. And yeah, I'm super glad with this result for the month. It's a little bit more than so my sales after returns and refunds were 25,000. So I almost made 2,700. So I'm really glad with this result for this month, and I really want to take my business to the next level, like do a 50K, 100K per month, and I'm working on it right now. So yeah, guys, if you want to see more of my income reports, and if you like those income reports and it gives you like some motivation, please leave your comments below. And also leave comments below what are your sales and what is your progress. And if you like this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I really appreciate your subscribing if you want to see more great content from me. Yeah, guys, so thank you, and I will see you in the next video.